Thank you so much to sign up my class. Hichisai. This is the brand of the practice skin. When you are using inkjet stencil, only stay well on this brand only. 2 stencil stuff. Any hair dryer. Let me clarify one thing. Inkjet stencils can print shadow and solid color. Thermal stencils can print solid color only. Any stencils on practice skin, you need to lighten the color, especially the inkjet stencil on practice skin. But how and how much? I will talk more on the pay section. I sell sample on ETSY. So let's start. Especially these 2 items. You need to get exactly this brand. You can get it from Amazon. This practice skin you can work on either side. Always clean up your practice skin before use. Make sure they dry and then restart. Put stencil stuff around the practice skin. Stencil stuff area should be a little bit bigger than the stencil. Then I'm using the speed stick. Went over on top. Then using fingers to even it out. One direction movement. Make it flat and even as possible. Using hair dryer to warm up the practice skin and make the stencil stuff dry faster. Do it for 10 to 20 seconds. Flatten the stencil stuff one more time. Use hair dryer again. And then rest 20 minutes. On and off, do it for 3 to 5 minutes. When the surface changes from shiny to slightly matte, it's ready for the stencil. Let the stencil set for 30 seconds. Use hair dryer right away for about 30 seconds. Then let it electro dry for 3 to 6 hours. This procedure is work for shadow as well. Let it dry for about 3 to 6 hours. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to check if the stencil is ready. When a little bit over 2.5 hours, it's ready to practice now. You will be able to download these two files on the page section. Easier for you to understand what is the color setting files for practice scheme. At the page section, I will show you how I set up the files. Color setting. More in-depth report. Downloadable files. Little bit more knowledge can save your money and time. Let me show you how little bit more can make it big difference. Here we go. The link is in the description. And see you in my class. Inkjet Stencil Sample is available in my store. I have another class as well. And we'll see you soon.